Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make YouTube banner. So there are a lot of tools that you can use for creating a YouTube banner, but for this tutorial I'm going to introduce Canva. Canva is a free editing tool and all you have to do is to create an account, and I strongly suggest also to upgrade your Canva into Pro for more advanced features. So here in your Canva, you have to tap on create a design, and then on the search bar, you have to look for YouTube banner, or you can just type banner here, and then you will see different ratio and dimension. So let's just say if you can find it right here, don't worry. You can go to any web browser and then search for the correct dimension or size of a YouTube banner. So this is what it looks like. We have to follow this one right here. Now go back to Canva, scroll down here, go to custom size, and then just copy and paste the correct size for a YouTube banner. So this is what it looks like. Going to paste it right here, make sure it's PX, and then tap on create a design. Wait for a couple of seconds. It will take you directly to this where you can create your design for your YouTube banner. Go to designs and then look for that specific word or keyword or design that you want to use for your YouTube banner. Let's just say your YouTube channel is all about gaming, specifically Roblox. Then you can look for any gaming banner here or design, and feel free to change, delete, or replace these elements inside the template. So for example, this one, go to elements. If you want to change the character here, go to elements, look for something, let's just say anime. Let's just say you're a girl and then you wanted to replace this with a girl anime or girl icon or element. Just go to elements and then search for that. Here you can find different characters under the graphic section. So feel free to choose whatever it is. So for me, I'd like to choose this character. Once you have your character, you can look for other elements or object here. So feel free to search under elements. If you want to add something like any icon or anything that is or that looks like game, something like that, you can go to elements and look for that. If you want to change the background, then feel free to go to design and then change for something like this. But if you have your own picture for your background, you can upload that and then replace the background of this template or design. You can add another object, for example, anything related to Roblox. Just click and then add the sticker or icon right here. Once you're okay with that, tap on share, go to download, make sure it's PNG, and then download this. Go to your YouTube studio, and then here you can change the banner of your YouTube. So feel free to replace, adjust the picture right here. Once done, tap on publish, and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds and then go back to your YouTube channel again and see the result. So basically, that's how easy it is to make YouTube banner. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.